My today's topic is how to ward off calamities and protection against any calamities. There are some suggestions by the elders of Deobandi. The author of the book Fazalul Amal, he has prescribed Khatme Khajugan. There is a ritual of some Quranic verses and those things. And he was very fond of it. Wherever he used to go, wherever he used to visit any Darul Uloom across the world, he used to conduct this Khatme Khajugan. Okay. Okay. And the second thing, he has prescribed to take the wasila of the picture of the footwear of Rasul Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Yeah. That thing is, it is not only Zakaria Kandalvi, even Ashraf Ali Thanvi has also pres- uh, prescribed the same thing, and Aslam Khasmi, he has also prescribed the same thing. Uh, Ashraf Ali Thanvi in the book Tazkirut al Habib, and Aslam Khasmi in Sirat Halbiya. He has prescribed Durud Tunjina, prescribed the Lailo Khairat and all those Sufi things. Okay. And even this thing, the Ayat Karima, how many times you have to recite Ayat Karima? La ilaha anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin, to ward off any calamities and to protect you from all those things. Innovation, bid'ah. May Allah protect us from all those nonsense bid'ah, these Sufis, Tablighis. Ameen.